What's up, leather crafters? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make probably the easiest project in the world, which is the same design but two different versions with two different purposes. The small one is a little cable tie that is great for keeping all your cables organized. The bigger version is a bottleneck drip catcher that will keep your table clean and free from all those circles that you can normally see under the bottles of wine. You can make them without a pattern, but in case if you need one, I have both patterns available on my website for free. The patterns come in PDF, DXF, and SVG formats, and they are actually great little projects to use your scraps to make cute little gifts for everyone. And actually, you can put your logo on them and use them as a promotion little gifts for your customers. For these projects, you can use basically any scraps you've got in the range from 1.5 to 3.5 or even 4 millimeters, but you only have to be reasonable. I'm gonna use 2 and 3 millimeter leather scraps. For the drip catchers, I'm going to use 1-inch strap pieces. So I'm going to cut this pattern to precision and copy it onto the leather with a scratch awl. For the drip catchers, I'm going to use strap and punches and 1-inch bag punch. For 3 millimeter leather, I'm going to use a bag punch. On the other two, I'm going to cut a straight line between two holes with a knife. Basically, they are all done and ready to use, but I'm going to take care of the edges and make them all prettier. First, I'm going to sand them with a coarse sandpaper and then finish off with a finer one. And now I'm going to give them some shine with my special stuff. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.